Sakit na aking kamay. Salamat sis EJ. Grabing init. Kailangan ng talagang magdilig. At least once a week itong tanim na to. Kasi ngayon parang tuyong-tuyo ng mukha. Ayan, gumanda na siya ulit. Super beautiful si Miss Hydrangea. Morning! How are you?
Pretty good. How about you?
I did not do my garden this time. It's very late.
Run down, stick something in if you want. It's just sitting there right behind mine. But is John willing to clean the whole thing out for you?
Who's John? The owner? The no. I have my potted vegetables here.
Well, that's good.
Just a little.
You don't have to do that.
I will do it next year again. This time the spring is long. I cleaned there 2 times or 3 times, and when I go back, it's this.
You gotta put that plastic down.
That's why.
Yeah. Otherwise,
How about, did you start harvesting?
yes.
You have a lot.
I did it up this year.
That's good. You're going to the swimming pool?
Right.
Okay.
Garden, swimming pool.
That's-
That's it for me.
Enjoy! Oo, mami, hydrangeas ni siya nga tanom. Pink kaayo, pink. Tapos there is pikas kung kuan pod, pink pod. Nindot jud siya basta summer, mami. Kay dugay siya mahuman. Dugay kay malaya ba? The whole time ani ra jud yang color. Ako lang yun siyang i-soak. Soak na ako sa tubig. Para mo survive sa kainit. Ayan, almost done na tayo guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong support. Uy, sweet. Tanawa sweet ni 30. Ni 30 ang tao. Binuang lolo. Uy, ni 35 na. Wala akong choice kasi wala nang vertical. Horizontal na lang.